Lady B here. I know it's been a couple of weeks since I put out a video, and this one is just kind of like all of a sudden. I was going to go through some stuff here, and I thought, well, I just as well do a video. But I wanted to show you my kitchen table is actually still clean. Well, not still, but not a thing on it. But if you hang on just a minute, we're going to remedy that. And we're back. This is all the seeds that I have at the moment. I haven't gotten any seeds this year yet, but I just want to go through these and see what I've got and see what I need. I've had some friends to offer me whatever seeds that I need from their stock if they've got them, and I'm going to go through and see what I need. So I'm going to try to stay right there. If that's going to get me in the picture, I don't know. Now, hopefully it'll be a good. Okay. I can't see what you're looking at. Maybe I better raise it up just a little bit. Because I found out that my picture is a little bit fuzzy if I use the camera the other way. Okay, let's see what we've got here. I have got all kinds of, these are Blue Lake bean seeds that I got from the Amish market. It's called Halfway Market here. And I don't know what years these are from. I don't know where I got these. They don't look like my writing, but it might be. They don't even have a date on them. Just said packed for Halfway Market. But anyhow, these are all the same. These are Anasazi beans, Anasazi beans, and I got those at the Amish market also. Okay, these are Blue Lake bush green beans out of my garden in 2017. I got these from when in Idaho. Cranberry pinto beans. So, here is some corn from 2015. Early Sun Glow. These are from Bears here. These are from Aaron Thatcher, and I can't remember the name of his YouTube channel. Then he had a seed giveaway not very long ago. Well, let's see what year. 2016. Shaman's Popcorn, Red Amaranth, or however you pronounce it, and Purple Striped Sunflower. Believe it or not, I've never raised sunflowers. Okay. Pineapple tomatoes, that's an old one because they came from my garden in 2013, so that's questionable. Opalka tomatoes, 2016. Those came from Bears here. Whoops. Dropped something in the floor. And that, I did raise some in my garden after that year, and here's the tomato seeds from my garden from those. Okay. Japanese cucumbers from Kimberly's garden in 2019. Kimberly is Bears here. And I have plenty of kale. I mean plenty of kale. Those are more Opalka from Bears here. There's more kale. This is from Humble Homesteaders. sugar pumpkin. That was part of a giveaway, I think. Trying to put these so I don't go through them again. Okay, there's cucumbers, sugar baby watermelons. I can't, moon stars I think is what I'm going to grow because my sugar babies didn't do very good. So, that's all up in air. These are from Daybird Aviaries rattlesnake pole beans. My original rattlesnake pole beans I got from Old Alabama Gardener when we were down to the conference in Tennessee. Purple cherry tomatoes from 2015. We'll put those over there. Roma tomatoes, don't say. Heirloom variety contender beans, green beans. Snowbird peas. 2019, so they should still be good. I can't even pronounce these. Some kind of Galapagos Island. I butchered that one. But anyhow, those are tomatoes. Mr. Stripey yellow tomatoes. Those are from 2019. Yellow tomatoes. Don't say what kind. 2019. Those are just something that I picked up. Green peppers. These are pawpaws that I got from Bears Here, but they've got 2013 on them. German Johnson heirloom tomatoes, 2017 garden. Ground cherries, 2017. I got these from Humble Homesteaders. Scarlet runner beans, and these sugar baby watermelon seeds from my brother's garden from last year or year before last. Okay, these are the ones that part of the ones that I got from Old Alabama Gardener in 2017. That was the year that we went down to the conference. Got dill. Here's your moon and star watermelon seeds that I will keep. Calendula seeds from my own flowers. These are all different kinds of herbs. Spearmint, parsley, basil, thyme, parsley, chive, sage. I'm going to plant regular sage and white sage in my garden this year. And boy, do I have work to do. There's chives, garlic chives, shamrocks. Okay. Cherokee gourd seed, corn, cucumbers, all kinds of carrots, chamomile, okay, narrow leaf plantain. These are Blue Lake pole beans. Okay, I got these from a company last year. They are dollarseed.com, and every package is $1, or it was $1. I don't know what's happened now, but I got lettuce gourmet, lettuce oak leaf, carrot rainbow, broccoli, another broccoli, both organic. Celery. I've never ever tried celery. I want to try those. And here's some more that I got from them. Lemon balm, parsley, chives. Y'all need to check that website out. There's chives, red cherry tomatoes. I'm trying to hurry so it don't end up Roma tomatoes, so it doesn't end up being very long. Okay, these, I don't remember where I got these. It's probably the Amish store. Got lettuce, zucchini, more lettuce, Market more cucumbers and more flowers. Blue Lake green beans. I'm going to have green beans out there, you know what, if I plant those all. Red bell peppers from my garden at some point. Both of those. California Wonder red bell peppers. These are all greens. Mustard greens. Kale. Kale. And more kale. Oh, I know what that is. Oriental greens. I've never, yeah, I know. I've never tried Oriental greens. Okay. Summer salsa tomatoes. Flowers, purple Cherokee tomatoes. Those are so good. I love them. There's an empty bag. Well, not an empty bag, but says saved by Going Batty 2017 okra. Okay, these are some that I got from Ray Browning. One of his voodoo, I can't remember the name of his channel. I got lettuce, carrots, Rapunzel tomatoes, banana peppers, and Roma tomatoes. But that was a free seed giveaway that he gave away, and I don't remember what year. It doesn't say. But it's been 2 or 3 years ago. Out of my garden. Cayenne peppers. Yellow tomatoes, provider beans. Sugar snap peas from my garden for 2014. So that's iffy, so I'll stick those over there. Hishiko, green onions. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Yes, it is a Japanese word, but you know. Onion, Tokyo long white. Baker Creek heirloom seeds. That is 2014, so we'll put those over there in the iffy pile. Okay, these are also from Bears Here. Mini corn plant seeds from 2016. More flowers. Moon and Stars and Sugar Baby watermelons. Crimson Sweet watermelons. I didn't even try those. More flowers. More flowers. More flowers. More kale. Here's another one from Humble Homesteaders. Yellow bush bean. And looks like I've lost all my seeds out of here. That's what's all over the table here. So that'll be trash. Egyptian walking onions. I hope these are still good. I think I'll open them and see. Got those a few years ago. I would say probably not any good. So that'll be trash. There's my white sage seeds. I definitely want to keep those out. And Amish paste. I got gourds and all kinds of flowers over here. Mortgage lifter tomatoes. Here's another package that I got from Bears Here. It's red clover. The rest of these over here are iffies and flowers. And I've got some more flowers somewhere. But somewhere is a big place sometimes. But anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and go through these and decide. I'm going to go ahead and try to germinate some, especially the older ones, and see what's good and what's not. But I'm going to get this put up. This is a whole drawer full. I kept it in the refrigerator in one of my produce drawers. It was a whole drawer full. But I'm going to go through these and see what I'm going to keep, see what I'm going to toss, see what I'm going to try. Yeah, it's time to start the garden. But I'm going to get off here, and I will see you in the next video. Y'all take care, stay safe, and we'll see you later. Bye.